Hey there, financial adventurers. Today we're embarking on an epic journey into the world of FIRE, where financial independence and early retirement combine to create the ultimate money adventure. This is a path that can redefine the way you think about life and wealth. So grab your backpack and let's get started. FIRE. It's an acronym that's been making waves in the world of personal finance. But what does it actually mean? Financial independence, retire early, is a movement that's all about achieving financial freedom to retire on your terms. It's the quest to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind and gain the freedom to live life on your own schedule. But how do you achieve FIRE? What's the secret formula behind this money adventure? It all starts with maximizing your savings rate and smart investing. The higher your savings rate, the faster you can reach financial independence. FIRE doesn't come in a one-size-fits-all package. There are different flavors of FIRE, each offering a unique experience. Whether you're aiming for a frugal and minimalist lifestyle or planning for a more comfortable retirement, there's a version of FIRE for you. Now, let's dive into the real-life stories of those who have embarked on this money adventure and achieved FIRE. These stories will inspire you and give you insights into how ordinary people have accomplished extraordinary financial goals. Of course, no adventure is without its challenges. FIRE is no exception. We'll explore the hurdles and obstacles you might face on your journey to FIRE, but don't worry, we'll also share strategies to overcome them. Now let's talk about the freedom that comes with FIRE. It's not just about retiring early, it's about living life on your terms. Imagine waking up every day with the freedom to choose what you want to do. That's what FIRE can offer. Here's the practical part. How can you start your own journey to FIRE? We'll break it down into steps and offer tips to get you started. From setting clear financial goals to creating a budget and investing wisely, we'll guide you through the process. Before we wrap up this money adventure, let's debunk some common myths and misconceptions about FIRE. You don't need to be a millionaire or live like a hermit to achieve FIRE. We'll set the record straight. As we come to the end of our ultimate money adventure, remember that FIRE is not just about retiring early, it's about achieving financial independence and taking control of your life. If you're intrigued by the idea of redefining your financial future and living life on your terms, consider starting your own journey to FIRE. It's an adventure that's waiting for you.